Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are turning Claude into your personal data analyst. You can hand it a messy spreadsheet, an Excel file or a CSV, and instead of wrestling with formulas and pivot tables, you just ask for what you want. Totals, trends, charts, cleaned up data, all in plain language. By the end of this video, you will know how to get accurate analysis and even download the results. Let's get into it. So what can Claude do with a spreadsheet? A lot. It can summarize what's in your data and surface the key insights. It can answer specific questions. It can calculate totals, averages, and trends. It can clean up the messy data, fix formatting, remove duplicates. It can build charts and visualizations. It can hand you back a cleaned up file you can download. Basically, the boring parts of spreadsheet work done for you. Now, here's the most important thing to understand, and almost nobody explains this. Claude has two ways of handling a spreadsheet. One, it can read the file as text and reason about it. That's fine for quick questions and summaries, but two, and this is the powerful one, it can actually run code on your data like a real analyst. That's how you get accurate calculations, proper stats, and charts. To unlock that second mode, go to Settings, then Capabilities, and make sure code execution and file creation is turned on. And while you're there, turn on inline visualization too. So Claude can draw charts right in the chat. With those on, Claude becomes a genuine data analyst, not just a reader. Getting your data in is easy. Click the plus button in the message box or just drag and drop your file into the chat. Claude works with both Excel files and CSV files. Quick pro tip, if you have got a really big or complex Excel file, saving it as a CSV first often works better, because CSV strips out all the formatting and formulas and leaves just the clean data. We will come back to that. Okay, file is uploaded. Let's start simple. Summarize what's in this spreadsheet. And tell me the key insights. And enter. Claude looks through your data and tells you what it's looking at and what stands out. Great first step to get your bearings. Now for accurate numbers, here's the trick. Tell Claude to actually run the analysis. So I will say, use the analysis tool to calculate total revenue by month and the average order value. That phrasing matters. It pushes Claude to run code on your data instead of just eyeballing it. So the numbers are reliable. Watch, it writes and runs the calculations and gives you exact results. This is the difference between a guess and a real answer. So for anything where the numbers matters, ask it to use the analysis tool. Want to see your data? Just ask. Create a bar chart of revenue by product category. And there it is, a chart drawn right in the conversation. You can ask for line chart, pie chart, comparison, whatever fits. And if you want it different, just say make a line chart or sort it highest to lowest, and it updates. No chart wizard, no fiddling with Excel. Here's a huge time saver. Messy data? Ask Claude to fix it. Clean this data. Remove duplicate rows and fix the inconsistent date formats. Then give me a download table, clean spreadsheet, Claude cleans it up and creates a brand new file you can download right from the chat. So you hand it a mess and get back a tidy spreadsheet. That alone can save you hours. A few practical things, like I mentioned, for large or complicated files, convert Excel to CSV first for cleaner, more reliable results. Watch out for column header with weird symbols, as those can occasionally trip up the analysis. On limits, each file can be up to around 30 megabytes, and really large datasets with tens of thousands of rows can get tricky because there is only so much Claude can hold at once. If that happens, work with the smaller slice of the data, and as always, for important numbers, double check the results. One bonus worth knowing, there is also dedicated Claude for Excel that works inside the Excel itself, understanding your formulas and tabs natively. It's a paid feature and a bigger topic, so we will give that its own video down the line. For today, everything we have done works right here in the chat. Okay, quick tips before we wrap up. First, turn on code execution and inline visualization in capabilities. That's what unlocks real analysis and charts. Second, for accurate numbers, say use the analysis tool, it forces Claude to run code instead of guessing. Third, convert big Excel files to CSV for better results. Fourth, you can ask Claude to hand back a clean downloadable file, not just answers. And fifth, always sanity check important figures before you rely on them. And that's data analysis with Claude. You now know how to upload spreadsheets, ask questions, run accurate calculations, build charts, and even clean and download your data, all without touching a single formula. Seriously, try this on a real spreadsheet you have been avoiding. It's one of the most genuinely useful things Claude can do. In the next video, we will keep going. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. Drop a like if this helped, leave your questions in the comments, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.